All right, we just got to the Hunter Valley. I'm about to run one of my feel-good mental health workshops, 200 childcare conference teachers. Let's go.
Please welcome Cooper Chapman.
It really shows you that you don't have to take like hours out of your day to focus on your mental health, and it's literally just a couple of seconds in daily tasks and responsibilities.
Brushing your teeth.
Yeah.
It's probably one of the best ones I've been to.
Thanks so much, guys. All right, just finished at the workshop. Everyone was stoked. Everyone got a Be Kind to Your Mind t-shirt. If you want to learn more about the workshops, check out thegoodhumanfactory.com.